Attorney General urges Nigel Farage to apologise over alleged racism and anti-Semitism. This from The Guardian. The UK's top law officer, one of the most senior Jewish government ministers, has urged Nigel Farage to apologise to school contemporaries who claim the Reform UK leader racially abused them while at school. The Attorney General, Richard Hermert, said Farage had clearly deeply hurt many people judging by their descriptions of his behaviour, and that his constantly changing denials had been unconvincing.
At school, categorically on the record, you did not racially abuse fellow pupils.
I would never, ever do it in a hurtful or insulting way.
Yep, that does seem rather unconvincing to me. Not only that, but in his hurry to gaslight us, critics have noted Farage has failed to condemn anti-Semitism and other forms of racism more broadly in his denials. Here's one such account he denies ever happening.
Well, he regularly would come up to me and say, Hitler was right. And he'd also come up to me and he'd go, gas them.
Are you Jewish?
Yes, I'm Jewish. I'm Jewish, yeah.
In legal letters before publication of The Guardian's investigation, Farage's lawyers claim that the suggestion that Mr Farage ever engaged in, condoned or led racist or anti-Semitic behaviour is categorically denied. So they're saying that up to 20 people who went to school with Farage are lying, considering Farage himself seems vague on his recollections.
It's different to say.
Have I ever misspoken in my life? In my younger days, when I was a child? Probably.
So, the people then who've made these allegations...
Yeah, they've got good memories, haven't they?
Well, they're telling the truth, are they?
They've got good memories, haven't they?
Are they telling the truth, Mr.
Well,
Farage?
suddenly after 49 years, they seem to have perfect recollection.
Anyway, back to Richard Hermer. He added, arguing that 20 people have somehow all misremembered the same things about his nasty behaviour simply isn't credible. Throughout his defensive responses to legitimate questions put to him, not once has Farage actually condemned anti-Semitism. Click here for some more Reform reprobates.